This is Craig Summers with Atlanta Northwest Realty's Paulding and Polk team. These are my top 3 picks from our free list of 3+ bedroom Paulding County homes under $150,000. All of these homes just hit the market this week. My first pick is in Saddlebrook Farm subdivision and built in 1999. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, neutral colors, hardwood floors, a tile backsplash, a formal dining room, new paint, new carpet, new appliances, a full finished basement, and a fenced backyard. It's listed for the astounding price of $119,900. My next pick is in 12 Oaks subdivision and built in 2000. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, neutral colors, an enormous laundry room, comes with $2,365 repair escrow from HUD, and it qualifies for the HUD $100 down program. The 2012 tax value on this home was $139,500. It's listed for $68,000. That is $71,500 less than the current tax value. This is the best deal to hit the Paulding County market in a long time. My third pick is in Denton Estates subdivision and built in 1992. It features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, decorator colors, a fenced backyard, and comes with $3,630 in repair escrow from HUD, and it qualifies for the HUD $100 down program. The 2012 tax value on this home was $64,600. It's listed for $40,000. That is $24,600 less than the current tax value. The best part is the tax assessor must adjust your 2014 tax value based on what you pay in 2013. Get your free list of 3+ bedroom Paulding County homes under $150,000 with prices, addresses, and descriptions by filling in the form or going to www.pauldingandpolk.com. Sign up today. These deals will not last.